Well, we just got home not too long ago, and guess what we found in our property? Wow. That looks like it's going to be really, really big.
What's here?
Nothing, Addie girl.
Which
Very
one?
cool. Thank you.
What was here?
Nothing, Addie.
But Grandma said something.
If I tell you, you're just going to non-stop ask about it. So we're just going to go with,
I won't.
I'll tell you about it later.
When?
Because it's going to be a while before it's used. Addie had something she wanted to ask you.
It's secret. You can't hear what I'm saying. Mommy, I need to live. Addie. What are you talking? What? It's here. What's here?
We are here at the farm. There is all kinds of carrying in from the van into the house, and then I gotta leave some things in the van to take over to your house, which is a cooler and a tent that you had over your pool.
I am talking about is the water park here, the water slide. So what? Is the water slide here? It's the thing that me and Mommy ordered. Yes. How do you know? Yeah, because you want to do that.
I don't know. I'm tired. It was a long drive. You've slept a lot since then. I haven't. So I'm just real tired. Are those, you got underwear and shirts?
I got shirts, I got pants, I got shorts.
How many you got of each? I see 4, 5,
And
6 pants, 7 pants. It's one night, girlfriend. I mean, I'm proud of you for taking the initiative to pack, but you don't quite need that much.
Well, let me pack it all up. I might mess up the other shirts, so that's why I brought packs.
You brought extras?
Yeah, just in case I somehow get all dirty, we can wash it up, and I have more clothes.
You and Grandma's gonna go crazy, huh? What's your water balloon sound like?
A duck.
It does. That's funny.
On the slide.
Yeah, let's see it. Whoa!
It spins and goes like this. Look at it.
Dean, are you whistling? Show me.
No.
Oh, were you just whistling? With your mouth. Whistle. Show me. You can whistle?
Yeah.
Show me again. I couldn't do that for like ever.
I can do it forever.
It is Saturday morning. Hi Kevin. Please don't knock things down. You can come over here. Okay. And the kids start school on Thursday. Got them registered into their new schools, which felt like a lot of work, but it will be worth it, and they'll be happy. Dean does not start school until next year still. So, going to the farmhouse today to help my mom, or more of do what I need taken care of over there for us, because the kids will be staying the night over there 2 days a week, the Tuesdays, Thursdays, so that I don't have to drive 25 minutes to there, 25 minutes to work, 25 minutes to there, 25 minutes home. So it's going to be a lot. I mean, 25 minutes is guesstimate. I still don't know the kids' bus stop times. That's mind-blowing to me. I don't know how early we'll have to get up, how early we'll be on the road to get them to there, any of it. So it's kind of driving me crazy because I'm a scheduled person, you know that. And New chapter, here we come.
I want the white.
Well, let's see. Why don't we get them all out? Get them all opened and bubbled up colors.
Use more lighting in the place.
Except for the yellow. Wait, no, I have.
There's a lot happening in here. In this house. Need more light. You're not gonna be able to see anything.
Just don't go in the dog area or they'll tear them up.
Can't see any of that. It's way too dark.
On that side.
Oh, okay. It's definitely gonna be long days.
It's not that gross.
The water will clean it off. Do they have
See?
water to play with?
We need some
No,
water.
we can get some water, but I didn't know since they were cold
Yeah,
outside.
it's a little chilly out.
Yeah, that's why I thought the air would be better for now anyway, till it warms up some. You see how gross the house is?
It's very, very full.
It is so full.
There's a lot happening.
Uh-huh.
So we shall see what we can do with it, right?
Yeah.
The most recent update with our house is we finally got the permit from the other county that was needed. So we've scheduled our pre-construction meeting, which today is the 2nd, and it's not till the 13th. So it feels so far away still. But it'll be good. It's on the books. It's scheduled. Maybe they'll be breaking ground by my birthday. We shall see. But I'm ready. I'm so ready. For the past 3 months now, I kept saying, oh, by the end of this month, or by the beginning of this month, by the end of this month, by the beginning of this month. Like, it just kept pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. So now we're almost there. I'm so ready. And God must have something in mind for it to have been delayed so much. Like, He's been making things happen for us, and I'm believing that it's in His book. It's in His plans. Uh-oh, we gotta rinse the back.
Oh.
See the basket, the blue basket?
Make sure the water goes in on this side, okay?
Why do you expect me to do that?
Well,
You're not using it anymore.
perfect. That's what I want over that where that basket's at. That was what.
Yeah, tomorrow I need to mow the lawsuits, mow all out around the fence line.
Okay.
And then Monday, I think the Tucker rain coming in again.
Yeah, I think so.
So that'll finally have everything mowed. This is time. This is
All right. All right, where are we playing at? Dana, you're losing your pants.
I got it. Mommy.
I don't know. You both
Mommy.
did what?
The same time.
Okay.
Then you died.
Booty crack. Booty needs to be in the pants.
Okay. He's ready for the next round.
I got the laser gun.
Actually, I got the bubble gun
Pull
again.
it close.
I got the laser.
I already shot you with the laser one.
I got the bubble. Pew, pew,
I got
pew. You can only. You have to do it again.
I did. But yeah, see, we can play right over here in this big open area.
Yeah, we can play around that. I want to play. I have a bubble gun. Pew. Pew. I feel good. Now you're ready to die. Off the mat. I went off the mat.
Oh, now you got me stuck.
Why did you get that tablet? Tablets.
Pink one's mine.
The three Why did you get that blue tablet? Tablets. Well, hey Grandma, there's 3 green tablets. You just got it just in case I didn't bring my tablet.
No, I just have a whole bunch of chocolates.
Ow.